Hello guys, today I'm going to show you um how to unbrick your Samsung Galaxy Young GTS 5360, and how to repair this cell phone, because my Samsung Galaxy Young is brick and I'm going to unbrick it now. And to do that, first um, you need to download this file. Here is the folder. Here, the DDLA1. We're gonna using this file to fix your Samsung Galaxy Young, and also the Odin here. Yeah, so before we start, you need to go to download mode by pressing volume down here, the power button and the home button simultaneously. So I'm going to do that here, power button simultaneously or all together. So uh, here, here we're now in download mode, and say here, volume up to continue and volume down to cancel. So we need to press volume up to continue, volume up. So now we're here in downloading Odin mode. Yeah, so first you need your USB cable and connect your cable to your laptops or computer. Yeah boy. Now, and let's run the Odin here. Double click on that, and do you want to allow the yeah, and click yes. Here, your phone must be detected by your laptop or computer using Odin, yeah. So now we're here. You can see the yellow box there. It means your phone is already detected. So first, go to PIT, click on that PIT, and look for the folder. So it is in the desktop. So look for the folder DDLA1. So here, the folder DDLA1. Click on that, and here's the PIT file. Click on the PIT file and open. So there's the PIT file, and click on bootloader. Here, click on boot. This is the folder of DDLA1, so it will be automatically go there. And PDA, and click also in PDA. Yes, and phone, and the phone choose this here, the modem. Double click, and there the modem, and the last one is the CSC, and click on GTS 5360 multi-CSC. Yes, double click on that. I'm sorry. So here, where it's already complete, yellow box, and click on repartition. Yes, we're gonna unbrick your phone, so you should click that auto reboot F reset time, and as you can see, there's a pop-up of added. So we're ready, and here it's my phone, Samsung Galaxy Young, and here now, and click on start. just wait. So as you can see now, there's a sign there, system, the boot. If it's flashing, and wait for it. It takes time, like 1 minute less. So it's refreshing, and as you can see on your phone, there's a blue line there. Yes, here's the blue line. It means your phone receiving the files that you have flashed. So we're here in system, so wait for it to, and wait for the pass there. Yeah, wait for it. On there's a pass. It means you're done. Failed, yes, check on it. It will be automatically reboot like that, so wait for it. Yeah, wait for your phone to reboot automatically. So now wait for it. There's the pass, means has been fixed, and now you can remove your, oh, so now it's rebooting, and now you can remove your USB cable. Yes, wait for it to reboot. Yeah, wait for it. It's very easy to fix this Samsung Galaxy Young here, as you can see. Wait for it till vibrate. Oh, now vibrate. So wait for it. Yeah. Okay. And click on language United States. And click on the Android. Press skip button here. Next. So now, yeah, we're here. Your Samsung Galaxy Young is already fixed. Wait for it. Here go the settings, about phone, and look for Android version 2.3.6. Here the DDLA1 that we flash. Here DDLA1. So then fix your Galaxy Young, and thanks for watching, guys, and please leave a comment or like and subscribe. So bye.